Breaking news. Sowore said if he becomes Nigerian president, he will retrieve every kobo stolen by past Nigerian leaders. That means he's going to use the first 4 years to chase shadows. You see, he doesn't even have any solution. And he's criticizing Peter Obi. You see why Peter Obi is better than all of you? Peter Obi have already seen Nigerian problem, and he's focusing on how to solve the problem and provide solution and restore Nigeria for as a better state. Sowore is here talking about retrieving every kobo. Is that what we need at this period? Nigeria is in a critical situation. We're facing insecurity, high rate of unemployment, poor economy. And Sowore is telling us he's coming to retrieve all the stolen money from past government, because that's not what we need. Honestly, Sowore, what you just said is very funny, because no good leader can just focus on how to retrieve every kobo stolen by past leaders, rather than focusing on how to boost the economy, how to find a solution for Nigeria's problem. What you're doing is just like a company that employed a business development manager as a result of poor revenue generation, and the manager got employed finally. Instead of the manager to apply strategies to generate revenue for that organization, and that manager is now busy focusing on the past staff, the previous managers that constituted to the poor revenue of the organization. How can that organization survive? Sure. you have just exposed yourself that you're not going to be that suitable president that Nigeria needs at this moment. Seriously, you have just portrayed incompetency, honestly, because the first thing a good leader is supposed to do is to find a solution to the problem on ground. It's not chasing shadows. Because if an organization employs somebody like you as a business development manager, just like Nigeria is an organization, and you come and be busy looking for previous staff, previous managers who contributed to the poor revenue generation in that organization, rather than apply strategies to boost the revenue, that company go collapse. In fact, the purpose of employing you, Sowore, as a business development manager is